Whatever, however. Moral development we are talking about. We're not talking about a man come back and come give nothing and them. That work. It only that is again is putting a sticky plaster over a band-aid and it encourage the Nyama food culture because when you them can sit down and know say certain times them can expect a certain rich guy, a certain entertainer, a certain prolific figure to come buy back in we are buy status in the community. See, yeah, everybody and every youth sit down and wait on that and take that. See, I need to give some, I tell you, laziness. Give some guy gratification as well. And girl, make them feel like say, yeah, them do something. See, and when them going back to youth, them there stuck. The day before them come. The day before them come, start back all over again for the youth them. The day after them gone, Rasta. See, youth them not have. Them not learn nothing. Rich, successful people just come give you a fish. See it and gone again and all them sort of something there. And them thing that we are burn out and I'll put a